This is the elevator at the Habitat for Humanity ReStore in Timonium, Maryland. That's new, even though there's no security camera in here. At least one that I can see. Let's go out here. Series 1, everyone's favorite. OTIS, 2,500 pound capacity. Call cancel. Phone is on the panel. Speaker's right there. Oh, why'd I reach for a phone? Ferguson Enterprise, that's strange. Take a sound round trip. Going up.
Yep. My only choice, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so. You have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
God, love the Series 1 chime. I really like the Series 1 chime. It's quite loud, actually. Carpet's coming up in there. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.